My dad has always dreamed of having a personal space to unwind, entertain, and savor his favorite drinks. So come along with us this Father's Day as we create a home bar crafted with love and tailored just for him. To get this look, you'll need wintergreen lighting's soft twinkle warm white curtain lights, wintergreen lighting's LED 30-inch lit branch, and some nails and a hammer. The first step in the process is hanging up those curtain lights and making sure that they are even with your bar. Once you've put your marks in, you're going to take a few nails and start nailing them into the wall. After your first nail, you're going to spread the wires open a little bit and stick it onto the nail and make sure that it's nice and sturdy and not going anywhere. After that, you repeat the process. For us, we only had to use 3 nails to complete the curtain look. The next step in the process, once your curtain lights are up, is to unwind those wires. Now you want to make sure that you don't pull down on the wires. You want to slowly unwind them in a circular motion to make sure that you're not pulling it off the wall or you're not disturbing any of the lights. Once your curtain lights are done being unwound, you are going to plug in your extension cord. We used a white one because when you see the final product, it blended in the best. Then it's all about decor. This could be completely personalized to you and your bar and what you want it to look like. Once our decorations were set in place, we took the wintergreen lighting 30-inch LED lit branch and put it in one of our liquor bottles. Now these branches are adjustable, so you can put them however you want to give the desired look that you're looking for. Here is a final look at the bar that I created with my dad. Happy Father's Day, Dad. Hope you enjoy it.